fully stretched out. I got my hair washed, trimmed, and blow dried last week by my hairstylist. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of this curling cream just to give my hair some moisture. And then I have some Smooth and Shine detangling foam just to help with the hold in the front. But I have gel here too. Just want to put it right here. I'll do the back too, so I have some good hold in the back. Get my brush out. Slit the back as possible. Okay, I think that's good enough. So get a good grip on that pony. All right, so I just twisted in 3 parts the ponytails to the sections so that they can, you know, be a little bit flatter. So I'm going to take my edge control. You can use gel, but I don't think I have any gel right now, so I'm just gonna use my edge control and slick down my edges. Oh no, I forgot my scarf. I have to get my scarf. Edge control. Let this set for some time while I do my makeup for the day. Gotta really get that back there. All right, so I let my hair set. Let's see if it's flat. It's as flat as I can get it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the back first. So I'm gonna add hair onto the back, and I make sure I got my bobby pins. So this part is just regular, you know, how you attach wefts to a ponytail, and just wrap it. I'm just gonna take my time and wrap it. All right, so that is one weft piece wrapped. So I'm trying to see if I should do one more. Maybe I'll do one more. I'm trying to see. So I don't want it to be too thick, but okay, I'll do one more. This piece is this long. And I'll go in and wrap it. Okay, so I put in that second piece and I think it's perfect now. Just gonna comb it. But it's nice and secure. Okay. Now this is the piece that I made by myself. So what it looks like. And I put a comb up here, so I'm gonna comb it to my ponytail. And then I'm gonna do comb it to my ponytail. I'm gonna wrap this around. Keep wrapping so it's on there securely. I'm gonna bring some of the ponytail from the back and a chunk of it, and I'm going to wrap it for here. I'm going to take another chunk from back here again, and I'm going to wrap it this way, just so I can make sure I cover every little open spot. Wrap, wrap. Okay, now let me take bobby pins and secure all the hair pieces that I wrapped around each other so it's secure. Good, perfect. All right, and that is my ponytail. I'm gonna keep it straight, and then maybe tomorrow for like Easter I will put like little curls in it to wave it up a little bit. So it looks from the back. I love it. That was nice and easy. That definitely didn't take any time at all. So I think that's good. I love. Perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna take this part and bring it here. I'm gonna tease this back part a little bit so it's a little bit more full up under there. I'm gonna tease this side too. Okay. I'm gonna put this back over it. Good, perfect. See how I bumped it up even more? So tease as your heart desires. But yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. I love the look. I love the look. All right, so that's that. I love it. Okay, so I want to show you guys my ponytail before I head out to do what I need to do. But yeah, I love it. It's so cute. Came out perfect. So yeah, so that is it. I love it. It's so nice. Oh yeah, this is cute. This is cute. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video.